Gobeithio bod yr adnoddau'n fuddiol I chi. I hope these resources have been helpful for you to put in place the next steps in your learning journey. Defnyddiwch nhw I helpu ddarganfod beth sydd orau I chi. Continue to explore the different options available and use the reflection resources to discuss your options with your parents, teachers and carers after the conference. A dyna ni am y tro. That's the end of this afternoon session. Nôl am 6, head back here at 6 for the last evening session of the conference. Ac mae 'na newyddion cyffrous ar y gorwel. We'll have an exciting update for you about the 2021 Seren Summer Schools and more Q&A sessions. Yeah? Cofiwch am y sesiwn holi ag ateb fyw, that live question and answer session on applying for international courses in summer schools. So don't forget to send in any questions. Anfonwch nhw at seren@casba.biz. See you all at 6. Hwyl am y tro.